China has what we have, how China is surging ahead and how we are lacking. Tarun Vijay, doesn't this mean that the government is not responsive to army's needs?
See, nobody doubts the integrity of Mr. A.K. Antony, but is he also a good defense minister? That is a moot question. We must discuss the content, whether the content of the letter that General sent to the Prime Minister is right or wrong. If it is wrong, punish the General. If it is not, then award him, because he has made the entire country awaken. It's right that CAG reports and the Defense Committee reports might be having these facts which the General has pointed out in his letter. But never before the country discussed these issues with such an alarm. So we should be thankful to the General. We should not be using strong words against him. He has done a great service to the country. Country is awakening to the new realities, and the Defense Minister must respond to it. He should also be very respectful to the General, and there should be an informed debate about it.
There should be an informed debate
of the General. We can see
an informed debate on the
Pakistan Army chief.
Okay, go on. No, but there should be an informed debate on the contents of that letter. The focus of the debate in Parliament is actually on official secrets and fact the General. Yeah. Go on, Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
Gaurav, it's very interesting that Gaurav, that while nobody disputes there should be an informed debate, the question we asked is nothing to do with whether he should be awarded or denigrated. The question we asked by you repeatedly is whether Antony should resign. Now, if that is not completely imbalanced, then I can't see anything else which is more imbalanced.
Okay, Javed, you had a question for Tarun Vijay.
Mr. Tarun Vijay, what is the BJP stand? Do you think he should be rewarded for that letter or be punished?
It should entirely be inquired into the whole matter. The murkier the matter is getting, the more embarrassed the whole nation is feeling. It is the worst debacle after 1962, and we must put together our heads and see that such an incident never occurs, and whatever General Singh has said should be inquired into, and then only we can say that whether this was true or not. But till then, General Singh should be respected and his voice should be heard, because he is the serving army chief of the nation.